Sick of squinting in dark caves? Let's brighten things up. Today, I'll show you how to change your gamma settings in TLauncher Minecraft so you can finally see in the dark. First, open up TLauncher. Make sure you're on the main screen where you select your Minecraft version. Look for the settings icon. It's usually a little gear or cogwheel, and click on it. This opens up the TLauncher settings panel. In the settings panel, find and click on the advanced settings option. You might need to scroll down a bit to see it. Now, you'll see a text box labeled JVM Arguments. This is where we'll add a little code to boost our gamma. Click inside the JVM Arguments text box and add gamma equals 10. The number 10 is just an example. Feel free to change it to any number that suits your needs. Higher numbers mean brighter screens. Once you've entered the command, click the Save button at the bottom of the settings panel. Now, launch your Minecraft game. As usual, select the version of the game you want to play and click Enter the game. That's it. Jump into your world, especially a dark area like a cave. You should now see a significant difference in brightness. If it's still not bright enough, go back to the settings and increase the gamma value. Have fun exploring.